President Donald Trump organized a tech dinner at the White House. He invited big tech CEOs from all across America for the evening. Many showed up, but once Trump's bestie, Elon Musk, was absent. Now, reports say that he was not on the guest list, but Musk said that he was invited but could not make it, so someone from his team would attend the dinner. But what did this dinner look like? It was a mix of policy talks, jokes, and candid hot mic moments. Well, just like Trump's other cabinet meetings, big tech CEOs now have decided to use the classic Trump playbook. They were all praises about Trump. Google CEO Sundar Pichai thanked him and said that he was relieved as the antitrust case was over, which sought to break up Google Chrome browser. Now, the ruling sparked a surge in Alphabet's market value, which crossed $2.5 trillion this week. For Pichai, this was a chance to reset ties with the administration, which had accused Google of bias earlier. Bill Gates openly praised Trump's COVID-19 vaccine initiative, calling it a model for rapid medical innovation. Sam Altman described Trump as pro-business, pro-innovation president. Cook highlighted Apple's $600 billion investment in America, crediting Trump's tone and leadership for enabling it. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg drew laughs when caught on a hot mic. He apologized and said that he was not ready for being pressed on free speech in Britain. Trump teased him, saying that this is the beginning of your political career, and Zuckerberg said, "No, it is not." Well, looks like they all have learned from Elon Musk's political tenure. Now, serious conversations like job reports were also talked about. Trump was asked whether he would trust the BLS data on jobs coming out on September 5, but he said, "I don't know," and accused past BLS leadership of political manipulation. He said that the real numbers will come as tech companies invest in building infrastructure in America. And so the obvious question Trump asked them was, how much will they invest in America? Tim Cook said $600 billion. Even Meta's CEO Zuckerberg said the same. Google said $250 billion in the next 2 years. Microsoft said that this year investment in US is close to around $75 to $80 billion. The dinner was then followed by an AI-focused event hosted by the First Lady. Trump remarked this meeting, saying that it would take US to a whole new level, and what it looked like was more a Trump praising event as big tech CEOs lined up to remain on good side of the president.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.